It's pamper time! Cause we deserve it. We tried this new beauty hub at SM North EDSA. They offer different services like head and scalp care, mani, and pedicure. We availed their premium foot spa and pedicure for 899 pesos. The place is beautiful and clean. They even put rose petals. Guess what? They also have a massage chair. You can tweak it based on your preference. Let me show you their nail polish selection. Limited but nice. I usually go for neutral tones. Sorry, ang dumi ng paa ko. What I really like about this place is the service. They are professional and thorough. Lahat ng ingrown tanggal. Malinis din yung mga tools na ginagamit. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Comment down below if you want us to try the head and scalp care. Best time to go around here is 10 to 11 a.m. Ito yung prices nila. Pause nyo na lang.